example 11, they want the minimum, the maximum, and the median, right? Median values of this data set, right? Using the percentile formula. So we have 14, 17, 45, 20, 19, 36, 7th, 30, and 8. Okay, so first, before we do anything, let's order the data from lowest to highest, right? So we'll have 7, 8, 14, 17, 19, 20, 30, 36, and 45. Okay, so our percentile formula is R is equal to P over just check here quickly, P over 100. P over 100 in multiplied by n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so if we check, so we want to find, so our minimum value is going to be at 0%, right? Our maximum value is going to be at 100%, right? So, and then our median, that's the middle part, that's at 50%, right? Okay, so if we draw a box and whisker diagram, right, it looks something like this, right? So these are all the percentiles, right? This is my 0%, this is my 25%, right? This is my 50%, that's my 75%, that's my 100%, right? So they're looking for these three, right? So whatever one they're looking for, you can just substitute that into the value of PA. So let's look at what value is going to, at what position is going to be my 0th percentile. So at the top we can put 0, right? Because we said it's going to be 0%, right? 0 over 100 times n minus 1. And n is the number of digits that there are, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So there's 9 values. 9 minus 1 plus 1. And we get an answer. The 0th percentile is going to be at the very first position. Right? It's the very first number. And that is equal to 7. Right? The first number, that 1 is for the first one. Okay, let's do the 50th percentile. So now we just put R equal to 50 over 100. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 plus 1, and that is at the 5th position. So we can count it in the data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's equal to 19, right? So the 50th percentile is at 19 position, value 19, right? And then 100%, 100 over 100, 9 minus 1 plus 1, and that value gives us 9, and that's at the very last value, right? And the very last value is number 45, right? So that is equal to 45. Okay, so just to recap, if we have a data set and we want to find our 0th percentile, our 50th, or our 100, and we have a given data set, we have to first order data from lowest to highest, and then we can use our formula where P is the percentile and N is the number of data points, right? And then we can just plug those values in and we get the value for the position for the percentile, and we can just count where that position is in the data set, and then we'll find its values, right?